Now I got this idea from a Papa Texas video. This is your fault, Papa Texas. Actually, it feels pretty good, especially summer coming on. I might just leave it this way. This is my Corona hairdo. Alright, what's crawling on my neck? A roach was crawling on me. Alright, let me show you what happened here. I'm not sure, but I think my the long guy hit my conduit with my power coming into my shop. I walked by there and I seen it like that, and it was raining really hard too, so I'm sure it's full of water. Yep. Two feet of water or more. So I'm going to take the wet vac and suck the water out. I gotta go out there and turn the breaker off first. See all that? That's not mice or rats, that's skink poop. That's little lizards. They're invasive species. And they get inside the walls too. Surprised they haven't shorted this out. I'll have to pull up a picture, Google it. I need to catch some for bass. That shop. I actually made this hose for my travel trailer. But it's going to work here too. There's the bottom. Yeah, there goes the water. I don't know if you can see it flowing or hear me. I'm just going to leave that running fair for a little while, get the water out. Whatever's left will dry up after I seal it. Looks like I got as much water out of there as I'll be able to get. Now let's see how much water was in there. Wow, that's a lot of water. And if it's going downhill at all in that direction, from settling or whatever, this conduit's going to be full of water. But once I get that break fixed, it'll eventually dry out. Yeah, first I'm going to clean this off with some PVC cleaner. And I'm going to put some silicone on it. I'm going to do it this way. Let that dry. There's a good tip for you. Wire nuts work pretty good sealing off with this silicone. I went ahead and made a little block for support, and I'm going to go ahead and install this block in here for support for this pipe strap. Now I'm going to put this strap on there. That'll help it from moving. If he bumps it with the lawnmower again, I'm going to support it with some more down here anyway. I might even have a little paint left. Yeah, that'll work. Might add something around here for more protection later. Thanks for watching.